Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Magic Eraser on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. To use Magic Eraser, you should go to the Photos app, then select a photo that you'd like to use it on. What Magic Eraser does is it erases a part of the image and replaces it with what should be in the background, which means if I erase a person from a photo, it'll just erase that person and put something in the background so it looks natural. Or you can erase something else than a person, of course. You can erase literally anything. So let's maybe select this photo. You can see now if I want to use Magic Eraser, let's click on Edit and then click on Actions. Now Magic Eraser, and now let's erase maybe that person, because I erased that person in a different video, so maybe let's be equal with it. Okay, it selected both at the same time and I didn't really want it, so let's refine selection. And now I'm gonna select subtract, and I'm just gonna draw over the person that I want to subtract from my selection, so that person is not selected. Okay, now they are both unselected. Well, it's not really how I wanted it. I'll try again, circling just one of them. It's not always perfect, of course, with the selection. Now you can see it's quite good. There's some problems still. I didn't select the whole person. I'll try adding the selection. Okay, that was successful. Let's add this part and the arm, of course, and the hand as well should be added, I believe. Yeah, let's click on done, and now let's tap on erase. I hope it does a good job, because it's quite a difficult thing. Yeah, it did a really good job. Not the perfect one, but a pretty good one. And now I can click here, and then I can save it as a copy by clicking on Save as Copy. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.